How to deposit money with Chime. Let's start with the absolute best option, Walgreens. Did you know you can add cash directly to your Chime account completely fee-free at thousands of Walgreens stores? It is incredibly easy. First, just open up your Chime app. Look at the bottom menu bar and tap Move. Next, tap on Deposit Cash. From there, hit See Locations Near Me at the bottom of your screen. The app will pull up a clean cash map showing all the fee-free Walgreens locations right around you. Now, if you don't have a Walgreens nearby, don't panic. Chime actually teams up with over 90,000 retail locations nationwide. Think places like 7-Eleven or Walmart. The process at those stores is exactly the same as what we just did. But here's a quick heads up. While Walgreens is always 100% free, those other retail locations might charge you a small third-party fee at the register. So, if you want to skip the fees entirely, keeping it at Walgreens is always your best bet. Another awesome pro tip, if you need to deposit money late at night, you can add cash at any of these retail partners anytime their doors are open. It's perfect for night owls. Once the cashier scans your app barcode and handles your cash, your deposit will typically post to your Chime account within 2 hours. Most of the time, it hits within just a few minutes, but just keep that 2-hour window in mind so you don't worry while waiting for the balance to update. And that wraps up the cash deposit guide. If you want to know how to link an external account and move funds digitally instead, check out my step-by-step guide on how to transfer money to Chime bank account, popping up right here on the screen. Catch you there.